Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ONCS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. You do not need your eyes checked. Yes, this candle is still taking shape. The market doesn't open up here, or doesn't, close for another few minutes. So yeah, that candle is changing, and the breakout is underway. But as far as where the chart stands, and then as far as what I want to talk about, I'm quite confident that what I talk about here will remain relevant. But yeah, like I said, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Obviously, right now, the price is absolutely booming during the final 30 minutes. But just as a day, in general, you can see that the volume has been well above average. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. The first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay above this breakout point here at 84 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 84, by no means am I saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to actually stay up above 84 cents, that would definitely be a huge sign of strength going forward. Next level of support after that would be down here at the bottom portion of this consolidation area, and that sits right around the 79-cent mark. So 84 and 79, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at all this from more so a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. As far as levels of resistance, I'm not even going to touch on those because right now resistance levels really don't matter. What do I mean? Well, what matters is what the price has already been doing. And what has the price been doing? Well, over the long haul, over the past several days, you can see that the price has just continued to chip away with higher bases. So if you picture these as stair steps, then you can see these stair steps are very clearly working themselves in the upwards direction. So my point is focus on the healthy consolidations, focus on the higher lows, and given enough time, everything else takes care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. But nice move today. We'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.